the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
Nervous control differs from hormonal control in that the former, when we mean the former, this is the former. Nervous, so it means the question is talking about this is latter, this is former. So when you say differs from, in that the former, which is this, is slow and no, involves only chemical no, has no specific pathway, produce short-time changes, yes. The effect of nervous coordination is short, but it is also short-term. It is very fast. I mean to say it's very fast, but it's short-term changes, like a reflex. It is instantaneous and it ends. All right. Now, identical twins inherit their gene from what? What you need to understand is that, let's quickly talk about something here. That this is an egg. This is also an egg. An egg will always be fertilized by a single sperm. Please know that. Now, if that is true, then identical twins are meant to look alike. So this is the law. One sperm fertilizing, sorry, don't mind my diagram, just funny here. Now, this is a sperm fertilizing one egg. When it fertilizes one egg, it forms what? Zygote. So this zygote will then divide by mitosis into two organisms. So they are formed from one sperm, one egg. That's why they will behave alike and what? Have almost everything common, because they are formed from the same sperm and the same egg. No exception. So that's why they're called identical twins. If there's a case whereby two sperm fertilizes one egg, that egg will not survive till term. It means it will not grow. It's a law, because every normal human being should have 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. So when you have two sperms fertilizing one egg, that is more than 46 chromosomes. That 46 chromosome, anything more than 46 chromosomes will not be compatible with life. Even people that have Down syndrome that have 45 chromosomes, just one chromosome less, there's a problem. Let alone having more than 46, or having 3. That's having 23 times 3. That would be very serious. That's 63 chromosomes. That would be terrible. Now, for fraternal twins, which means twins formed from 2 eggs and 2 sperm cells, so they will be different, so to say. Now, what do I mean is this: they can be the same sex. Of course, X chromosome is always present in the egg, but if the sperm cell that fertilizes this one is X and this one is also X on the sex chromosome, that means the 2 children that will be formed will what? Female. But if it is Y that is on this chromosome, on the sex chromosome of this sperm, then X on this one is what? 1 male and what? 1 female. All right, hope that is clear enough. So coming back to our question, which says that identical twins inherit their gene from what? 1 sperm, or okay, you can see the same egg and the same sperm. They didn't write 1 sperm and 1 egg, but that's what it means here. So our answer is what? C. Paternity disputes can mostly be accurately resolved through the use of what? Accurately, by DNA analysis. We have people that have the same blood group, fingerprint can be the same, tongue rolling can be common in people, but DNA is only you that has your type of DNA exactly. So your child will only have your own type of DNA. All right. Sex-linked traits are located on what? X and Y chromosomes. Now, please pay attention at this junction. Most sex-linked are X-linked. What do I mean? It means most sex-linked diseases are present mostly on X chromosome. So some textbook will say that sex-linked and X-linked, it means the same, but what they meant is that because most sex-linked diseases are on X chromosome, so they call them X-linked. But in reality, the sex-linked diseases or sex-linked genes are present on X and Y chromosomes, because these are the 2 chromosomes we have. Please bear that in mind. Number 25. In a Mendelian cross of red and white varieties of 4 occult plant. The first filial generation expresses incomplete dominance by having flowers which are what? Now what you need to understand is that when we say incomplete dominance, I wish I can actually say, you don't have to cross this. It doesn't need to be crossed. I just want to explain something. There's 3 terms in genetics called dominance, codominance, and what? Incomplete dominance. Dominance means that an allele, let's say this allele is for black, this allele is for what? White. It means that this allele overshadows this one, so this one does not express itself at all. That is what? Dominance. Codominance means that this allele, 2 of them are fully expressed in this organism. For example, now this is an allele for black, this is an allele for white, and the 2 of them combine to give birth to an organism that has black and white color on it. That is what codominance. 2 of them are dominating. But in incomplete dominance, the black allele was not fully expressed, the white allele was not fully expressed, so they will become a mixture. Let's say they form gray color. So incomplete dominance means that the 2 alleles for a particular character are incompletely expressed. So it will not be a mixture of the 2 of them getting together. So that's what you can have here. So when you say a white and red, when you mix that together, you form what? Pink. All right, is that clear? 26. Insects are considered the most successful among invertebrates because they survive in environmental conditions, possess ability to change their forms, possess exoskeleton, having few okay, yes, answer is A. They survive in various environmental conditions. All right, not because they can possess, no. They have when I say insect is not only on land. They have different structures for them to what? To adapt in any environment. All right, now the absence of special food and water conducting system restrict the body size in what? In let me see, it should be in algae, liverwort, and mosses. These are called avascular. They don't have vascular bundle. All right, but if you say bryophyte and pteridophyte has vascular bundle. Talophyte does not have, pteridophyte has. Fern is an example of pteridophyte, so this is not correct. So the answer is algae. Example is that your spirogyra, liverwort, and moss. Is that clear? Now 28. The peculiar characteristics of mammal is that peculiar means that they are the only ones that have it. Sebaceous glands, that means they have skin. Let's quickly see. Teeth is not present in all organisms. Other organisms that are not mammals also have teeth. All right, fishes have teeth, and yet they are not what? They are not mammals. They are warm-blooded, of course. Birds are not mammals, yet they are warm-blooded. They also have lungs. So the answer is sebaceous. They can sweat. They have a skin that secretes what? Sebaceous gland. I showed you in one of the first set of the videos. All right. The rods in the retina of the eye are examples of what? It's an example of what? Of cell. It's an example of cell. Now let me explain something to you. If you say the entire layer of retina, you can call that a tissue, because a retina is made up of rods and cones, different type of cells. But rod is just a single cell, so that's why we put cell. Cones is also a cell. Now the larval stage of mosquito is called wriggler. Caterpillar is the larval stage of butterfly. Maggot is the larval stage of housefly. Grub is the larval stage of aphid, of weevil. All right, weevil, of I'm trying to remember, of bee. I think there are maybe one more. So these 3, their larval form is called this, but wriggler is the larval stage of what? Of mosquitoes. Thank you.